morning. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Deer Corner. It's been about 5 weeks since Hurricane Helene, and we've been really busy cleaning up, but it's going to take months to get things straightened up around here. But I'm taking a little therapy and doing some deer hunting. I'm in the ladder stand overlooking a river bottom. And the river is right there. And there's about 50 feet, 60 feet between the bottom of this hillside and the river. So every tree's leaning. That was about a 40 to 50 feet wall of water coming down through here. And all that right down here, that's debris from the water. That's how high the water come through this valley down through here, this river. So, a lot of cleanup. And in the background, you may hear a trackhoe running. They're working on the bridge. The bridge is still closed. So, my son and I, we walked down that river bottom 2 days ago. And it's like walking on a sponge. But as long as I've had this property, I've never seen anything like it. But it's pretty thick back in there. If you look back through here, you'll see a lot of down trees. I haven't really seen a straight tree yet. So, just going to bring you along for a morning hunt. And I'd like to take a little time out here on this hunt too and thank all the supporters that gave to the cause of the hurricane. A lot of people don't know how much devastation Helene caused. You can take the state of Rhode Island and it still wouldn't cover the area. And if it wasn't for people like you and our local government, for the support that was given to a lot of families, they wouldn't have anything. Our White House, a good for instance, they sent shower flip-flops, shorts, and t-shirts for 40 to 50 degree weather. They also sent hundreds of chainsaws, but they went green. with no electricity, no way to charge them, no way to use them. They sent pallets, boxes of MRE type meals. Well, their logic is pretty smart. You don't have water, you don't have a way to boil water, so you can't make the meals. So if it wasn't for people like you and our local government, people wouldn't have anything. So I just want to take a little time out on this hunt and thank everybody that donated. Well, it's about 11 o'clock. I've seen a doe and a yearling off to the right of me here. So it wasn't a total bad morning. Got to see something. But the wind's starting to change, and I'm going to go ahead and move to another stand and finish the day out. So it's just good therapy to get out and get back into the deer stands and get back hunting. Got no cell phone signal, so just get out in nature, just get outside. Good therapy, real good therapy for what's been going on. But I'm going to go ahead, pack up, and move to another stand on the other side of the ridge to where I have the wind at my advantage, because it was coming into my face. Now it's coming to the right of me, so it's going right on down the draw, right on down towards the river. Okay, finally, it's about 1:15. I got moved into another location. I slid in quietly. But this stand here, well, neither stand, the one I've been in this morning and this one, it seems to be more of a mid-season, late-season stand. You see a lot of does out of them. But the bucks running these areas here are more late in the season. But this stand here, what we got is, we have a road that comes down through here. I cut in here years ago. And I got a turnaround right here. And this is where we camp down here in the river during the summer and spring. But then it carries on down. About 60 yards, you end up down at the river to where I got an area cleaned up. That's where we do our fishing. We put our boat. We took a couple nice flatheads out of there this summer. One's about 22 pounds. I think one like 18-pound flathead. Well, I didn't. My son and his friends did. But it carries on down through there. But like I say, this is a late season stand. I've never had any luck with bucks out of this stand till late season. And this stand here that I'm in is about 18 years old. And we may have taken 11, 12 deer out of it. But what's funny, coming in, there's a tire right there, left over from the water. I have no idea where it come from, none whatsoever. But you can hear them in the background with that track hose still working on that bridge. But we got a front coming through, chance of rain. So as wet as the bottom is, down there in the bottom, I'm shooting a gamble that if it starts raining, the deer will travel up here to the higher spots where they're dry. Because it's awful wet down there. Like I said, we walked down there a couple days ago and it's like walking on a sponge. And some of them deer tracks, they're 3-4 inches in the mud. Just thought I'd bring you along this stand location. But really, you can't see a whole lot right now. Another 3-4 weeks when the leaves, the foliage fall off, you can see real good back in here. But to take a shot, you have to be careful. You have to be able to choose where to shoot and snake your shot through these trees. But I just thought I'd bring you along on this stand location. Like I say, this is my second time out hunting, this morning and hunting this evening for the year. Okay, it's about 6:30, quarter after 6. This front's coming through. And that wind is picking up, starting to sprinkle a little bit. But this stand is starting to move. And like I say, when you're in the woods, be safe. Rather be safe than sorry. And I think I'm going to go ahead and call it quits for the day. All in all, I had a good day. I enjoyed being out here. But I better get down out of this stand. Things are really moving. So thanks for coming along. And we'll catch you on the next one tomorrow morning. Bright and early, I'll be in the deer stand. Deer season 2024 has begun for me. So y'all have a nice evening.